Hello friends. Hope you all are well. In today's video we will learn how to make beauty soap by mixing aloe vera and rice. This is a chemical-free beauty soap. It's very easy to make, so let's move on to our video. To make beauty soap we will first cut fresh aloe vera leaves. Friends, whenever you want to use fresh aloe vera, after cutting its leaves, you must put it in a container with water and keep it for half an hour. This will remove the toxic yellow color from it and the aloe vera will be ready to use. Now we will cut the thorns on the side of the aloe vera and cut the aloe vera into small pieces so that when we grind it in the juicer, it grinds easily. So now let's grind it with the help of juicer to get its juice gel, which we have to use in our beauty soap. After grinding the juicy gel that we got, we will now filter it with the help of sieve so that we get only juicy gel. We don't need its pulp for our beauty soap. So let's check it out. Guys, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to the channel for motivation and press the bell icon so that you can see our every upcoming interesting video. Now we will heat the soap base. There is a video channel for making guys soap base. The link is also given in the description. From there you can see how soap base is made. So we will use our own soap base today to make our beauty soap 100% chemical-free soap. The soap base is heated. Now we will add the aloe vera juice gel and stir the spoon slowly so that it does not break up and it dissolves well into the soap base. Now we will add 4 spoons of rice flour to it. Dissolve rice flour in water well and add it. Now it has to be heated well, but remember that the flame of the stove should be on a slow flame. It should not be cooked in high heat. At the same time, keep stirring the spoon so that small pieces do not form in it. We will cook it for 10 minutes, then let it cool down for a while, and after it cools down a bit we will put it in the container in which To freeze it, we have taken 2 empty plastic boxes in which we have to freeze it, so now we will put it in these boxes. Now we will take out our beauty soap from the plastic box. You can see how easily it came out. And it looks great too. Guys, if you like this video of ours, then like this video and share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to our channel so that you can watch our every upcoming video. Now we will cut the beauty soap in the size we want to keep our beauty soap. Now the last part of this video, which you will also be waiting for. And how is this beauty soap made? And what is the result? So let's use it and see how it is made. And how does it foam? I like the result very much. Make it and tell us how your beauty soap turned out by commenting. That's all for today, and I hope that you have learned something from today's video and that you enjoyed the video. So allow me and take good care of yourself. Goodbye.